Hello. I really hope you guys can see me, because I always take shots at this freaking same time. It's like 10 in the morning, and wow, I'm out of breath already. It's sad. I'm walking up like a really tiny hill. I know I've been on campus too long when I say tiny hill. Isn't that sad? Anyway, so finally, I'm exhausted right now. I have another class to go to. Starts in an hour. But yeah, so I'm really freaking tired. I've got had 2 projects due today. Turned one in last night because it was a paper we had to email it in by 10 o'clock this morning. So right now, and I had an architecture drawing, which I'll just put a picture in right here really fast for you guys to see it. Hope you enjoy it. So yeah, that was it. Spent several hours doing that. Pretty I don't know if it was worth it or not. I think I could have. I don't know if it was a page or 2 or maybe it was 3 pages max, but yeah, I could have done that instead of writing a paper, and I did. And I really don't know if it was worth it, but I really just didn't want to write a paper because I had to write like a 6-page research paper, and then I had to put a bibliography with it, which was really easy. Thanks, Easy Bib. I'm out of breath, guys. I'm one lazy, tired person this morning. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty much my day in a nutshell. Actually, I'm still going, but what else do I gotta say about today? I don't know. Oh, good. I love when people have headphones on. So, yeah, I'm gonna come home for Christmas. Probably like Are you guys gonna be there? Oh, that's great. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, I'm getting better at this whole cover thing, right? I don't know if anybody buys it. I don't really care. Okay, so Kate is doing a blog. I don't know if she wants me to talk about it. I'm sure she'll post something. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. I'll post a link in the description maybe. I don't if I remember, which I probably won't. So yeah, Christmas break. It's gonna be awesome. So you guys are gonna be home the whole weekend, huh? Oh, really? That's great. Okay, well, I gotta go crossing the street and stuff. So see you later. Love you. Bye. Sorry about that. I wasn't really going to go. That's yeah, no, this guy was like, just decides to walk up a building, fall and get nervous on people. Walk across the freaking street again. Do this every time. They really should have made like an overcross or something for this circle drive thing we have. It's a pain in the butt to walk across because I have class on one side, class on another. And yeah, anyway, I'm glad it's so dark. I really hope this comes out. What are you honking at? Honestly, people. Honking all the day, doodly long. So what have I even said that is important? Oh yeah, so I finished those 2 projects. I'm probably gonna go home, sleep. I'm gonna play Zelda at some point today. I know I am, I have to. I haven't played Zelda since pretty much I got back here, which sucks. Because I love that game. I haven't gotten probably halfway through it, like I said. If you guys haven't, check out the Zelda video that I did. It's decent. I feel like a nerd when I watch it. Like, I can't even watch it because it's like, too nerdy. I need to make a real one. It doesn't suck that much. Well, it was, I don't know. I'm gonna have a paper due pretty soon. And hang on one second. Oh, there's people everywhere. Oh, good. Here comes another person. So yeah, I'll be home in time for that, I think. Yeah? She's just gonna bring the baby over, huh? Well, that's awesome. I'm really glad to hear that. I like babies a lot. They're really cool. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry. Sucks. It's pretty much me turning it off and covering for people walking behind me, so it makes it sound. I don't even know if you can see me. You probably can't. I almost hit you with a sign. We're over here. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it, I guess. Yeah, today is like a relax, do nothing day, so that's pretty much what I'm doing today. Oh my gosh, look at the wheel. I'm gonna go down here so you guys can see it. Yeah, but really, I want to hear about your day. Well, that's awesome. I think I'm completely dark right now. There we go. There's some light. Oh gosh. Another person follows me somewhere. I'm gonna go strangle a little kitty. And it's sick thing to say, but it's true. I'm getting freaking tired of it. Okay, anyway, so I have to go to class in an hour. What am I ready to talk about now? I don't know. Look at the view. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, it's wonderful, isn't it? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so yeah. I don't know. Oh, that picture. Right. So the picture... This is like a video of me talking about nothing at all. This is really sad. Like, this is probably the worst I could have ever made. You know what? Like, the worst thing ever. I didn't even finish that thought process. Not even that breath. I'm just gonna talk while you guys look around. So yeah, I don't really know what's gonna go on today exactly. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I didn't tell you. And it's like almost the end of the video, which doesn't matter, I guess, because it doesn't really have any cognitive flow at all. But so last night I freaking had a fire drill, like fire alarm, for real. Like the police came, the cops, I just said police. The fire department came, and it was like, ugh. Okay, so I just finished my paper, and I laid down about 1:15, gonna go to bed. You know, I'm relaxing. I'm really pumped because, you know, I finished my project. I'm like, alright, time to go to sleep. Within about 15 minutes of me actually kind of falling asleep, the alarm freaking goes off. It's like, please leave the building, please leave the building. It's like the most annoying thing ever. And then, God, that sucked so much. And then I didn't get back in the building until, I didn't probably get back to sleep till like 2:30 maybe. Something like that. Freaking alarms. Oh my god. It wasn't even anything. I don't even know what it was. I think somebody said it was steam, but I smelled smokes. I don't know what the smoke was from, but it didn't like smell like fire smoke. It smelled like nicotine or something. Really weird. I don't know. But yeah, it was just, I was not in the mood to wake up this morning, I gotta say. And I had an 8 o'clock class. Oh, I had to drink some coffee, but it's gonna wear off pretty soon. Anyway, so that has been my life for the past couple days since I uploaded anything. Ugh, I don't know what's going on. I want Christmas break so bad. We have stop day next Friday, and I'm pumped for that. No classes. It's gonna be great. I'm not doing anything that day except for gonna go see Kate and Caroline or whatever. I'm gonna take her to work. That's it. Awesome. Okay, well, I'm gonna go and edit this because this video probably sucks because it's pretty much me just turning the thing off and talking about nothing. But I might not because I'm really lazy. So, if you bared through the entire thing, good job. Alright, I love you forever. Please subscribe, and I promise these videos are gonna stop sucking. I've just been so tired with all this crap going on and finals pretty soon. So, oh, there's Curb there. Okay, well, goodbye. Boom, 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 boom.